I have been interrupted for 2 times making this video. মানুষ এখন আসতে শুরু করেছেন এখানে। এটা পুরো যাবে একেবারে, এটা কানায় কানায় পূর্ণ হয়ে যাবে। এবং এটা ছাড়াও নিচতলা, প্রথম তলা, দ্বিতীয় তলা সবই ফিল আপ হয়ে যাবে। Yes, I'm happy to witness it. I'm happy to show me. It's a nice moment I'm capturing. Oh yes, I love this environment, as I always say. And I'm more than a journalist, self-claimed journalist I am. I didn't want to get this job, but I like to claim myself. I like to consider myself as a more than journalist. As more than a journalist, yes, I am more than a journalist. It's the correct way of saying it. I am a more than journalist. It is not correct. The correct form is, correct sentence is, I am more than a journalist. Now let's go inside. I have nothing but to say, mashallah, কি সুন্দর পরিবেশ। I love being here. I love to be here. Okay. I'm happy that I have this opportunity, and thank you so much for watching, and alhamdulillah for everything. Oh, I can say whatever I want to say. I'm proud of the ability I have. The pleasure is all mine. It is more appropriate to say all pleasure is mine. Okay, all pleasure is mine এটার চেয়ে the pleasure is all mine এটা বলা খুবই সুন্দর, খুবই স্ট্যান্ডার্ড। Thank you very much. Okay, let me finish it here saying Anis Rahman signing off from Chandgaon Residential Central Mosque, Chandgaon, Chittagong.